Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see the explanation of the technologies 1G to 5G. This video will be very useful for the beginners. Now let's dive into this. What does the G stands for? G simply stands for the generation, which indicates how they have evolved over the time. So all these technologies represent the generation of their use, that is first generation for 1G, second generation for 2G, like that it goes on. So now we are in 5G, that we can see one by one from 1G to 5G in this video. First, we can see the 1G, that is the first generation. It is the first generation of wireless telephone technology. So this is an analog technology, and that means it had poor battery life and voice quality without much security. Basically, these simple phone calls were all it was able to do. So this was done in the 1980s, where it is the first generation of wireless telephone technology emerged, and the maximum speed of this 1G is 2.4 kbps, and this is developed in the 1980s, where the first wireless telephone technology emerged. And next we can see the 2G, this 1G to 2G mobile phone transformation, this transition, and this was the biggest transition in the wireless phone technology, changing from analog to digital. So this is the major transition, and the digitization in this 2G introduced data services for mobile, starting with SMS, that is a short message service, and enable the various mobile phone networks to provide services such as text messages, picture messages, and the multimedia message services. And this is done in the 1990s, and where the this generation of cellular telecom networks was commercially launched on the GSM standard, that is a global system standard, and the maximum speed of this 2G with GPRS, that is GSM GPRS, that we can see in the coming videos, and is 50 kbps or 1 megabps. So this is about the 2G technology. Now we can move to the third generation. This was commercially introduced in the 2000s, that is, and 2001, and with 3G technology, that is many services like web browsing, email, video downloading, picture sharing, and other smartphone technology emerged, and this aimed facilitating greater voice and data capacity, so that is support for a wider range of applications, and increase in the data transmission at a lower cost. So this 3G aimed at all these, and provides an information transfer rate at the least of 200 kbps. And next we can see what is the fourth generation 4G, and this makes it possible to share the network resources to support more simultaneous connections. So this potential and current applications include amended mobile web access, IP telephony, game services, high definition mobile TV, video conferencing, 3D television, and cloud computing. And this that is, we can say, the rise of long-term evolution was made by this 4G in 2010s, and 4G is built for speed of at least at 100 megabits per second and to 1 gigabit per second. And so this is about the 4G, where the network resources is made possible to share to support more simultaneous connections. And next we can see the fifth generation, which is a generation currently under the development, and in the 2020s, and it denotes the next major phase of the mobile telecommunication standard, beyond the current 4G. And this 5G network is expected to support data rates of several tens of Mbps, supported for tens of thousands of users, and also 1 Gbps to be offered simultaneously to tens of users as part of its requirements. And we are heading and again next to the 6G, which will be in around 2030s. So we can see what is going to happen. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.